Hi everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate the different data formatting and markup features available in Jaspersoft. For this demonstration, I am using sample data from the Employee Information Table. Let's begin with data formatting. In this report, we have different types of data like string, date, and numeric values. First, let's look at date formatting. I have used the higher date column. By default, the date is displayed in a one of the format. If you want to display it in a different format, you can use the pattern option. Select the text field, go to the text field tab, and click pattern. Various date formats are available. Choose the format you need and preview the report. The selected pattern will be applied to the date field. If you want to display only the time, select a format from the time category and preview the report. Next, let's move on to numeric formatting. Here, I have selected the salary column. Similar to date formatting, select the text field, go to the text field tab, and choose pattern. You will find different numeric formats such as number, percentage, currency, and scientific. You can also configure options such as thousand separators, decimal places, and leading zeros. Select the format you need, enable the thousand separator if required, and specify the number of decimal places. In this example, I have selected 2 decimal places. The pattern consists of 2 sections separated by a semicolon. The first section defines the format for positive values, and the second section defines the format for negative values. Select required number format and click Finish and preview the report. Now we can see the decimal places and thousand separator in the salary column. Now, I will select the currency format and preview the report. You can clearly see the difference in the output. Next, let's look at string data. Here, I have selected the remarks column. This column contains lengthy text in the database. However, in the preview, the text is truncated because the default behavior is cut text, which displays content only within the available field width. If you want to display the complete text, select the text field and go to the text field tab. Under Text Adjust, you will find different options. By selecting Stretch Height, the field expands vertically to display the entire content. Preview the report to see the result. Another available option is Scale Font. When this option is selected, the font size is automatically reduced to fit the content within the field width. Preview the report again to see the difference. Now, let's discuss the markup property. The markup property provides 3 options: styled, HTML, and RTF. In the database, we have sample data for all 3 markup types. First, let's look at styled markup. I have selected the styled_remarks field. If I preview the report without setting the markup type, the style tags are displayed as plain text. To render the formatting correctly, change the markup property to styled and preview the report again. You can now see the difference between the formatted and unformatted output. Next, I have selected the HTML_remarks field. When previewed without markup, the HTML tags are displayed as plain text. To apply the formatting, change the markup property to HTML and preview the report again. The HTML formatting is now rendered correctly. Finally, I have selected the RTF_remarks field. Without setting the markup type, the RTF tags are displayed in the report output. To render the formatting properly, change the markup property to RTF and preview the report again. The RTF formatting is now applied to the data. This concludes the demonstration of data formatting and markup features in Jaspersoft. Thank you for watching.